Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport turbocharger problems and provides a general overview of situations where turbocharged engine performance may not operate as expected. Turbocharger-related problems are discussed here as conditions that can influence engine power delivery, acceleration response, or overall drivability in EcoSport variants equipped with a turbocharged engine. This explanation remains general because turbocharger design, engine configuration, operating conditions, mileage, and maintenance history can vary by model year, and the issue may not apply to every Ford EcoSport. In reviewed technical and service-related information, turbocharger concerns are not treated as a single guaranteed failure but as a set of potential conditions that can develop over time or under certain operating circumstances. Some situations may involve changes in boost behavior or engine response, while others may relate to how the turbo system interacts with engine management and airflow control. Older generations may experience different turbo-related behavior due to normal wear, while newer models could still show performance-related concerns depending on driving style, service intervals, or prior repairs. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general guidance perspective, turbocharger-related concerns are typically evaluated through diagnostic inspection rather than assumptions. Some situations may involve checking turbo system operation and related components, while other cases may require further evaluation if a verified condition is identified. Driving conditions, engine load, and maintenance practices can also influence how turbocharger issues present. In conclusion, turbocharger problems in the Ford EcoSport can differ depending on vehicle generation, engine configuration, and operating environment. Understanding that turbo-related issues are not identical across all vehicles helps ensure accurate assessment and appropriate next steps. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.